In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download NBA app. First, you need to open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you will open the App Store instead. When you launch the store, you will see a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the screen. This is where you will enter your search query. Opening the correct App Store is crucial as it ensures you are accessing the right platform to download the app. This distinction is important as it saves you time and helps avoid downloading incorrect or unofficial apps. Next, in the search bar, type in NBA live games and scores. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. Make sure to select the correct app from the list of suggestions that appear. This step is vital because it directs you to the official NBA application, ensuring you receive the best features and security. You want to ensure that you are downloading the official app to access live scores and updates. Now it is time to verify that the app is published by NBA Properties Inc. for Android devices or NBA Media Ventures LLC for iPhone and iPad users. This information is typically found right under the app name in the store. Checking the publisher is a crucial step to avoid downloading imposter apps, which could compromise your device's security. By confirming the publisher, you can proceed with confidence that you are getting the genuine NBA experience. After verifying the publisher, tap the Install button if you are on Android, or the Get button if you are using an iPhone or iPad. This action initiates the download process, allowing the app to be installed on your device. It is an important step because this is where you begin to access all the great features of the NBA app, including live scores and updates. Once you tap the button, you will see the app begin to download, which is a reassuring sign that you are moving in the right direction. If prompted, you will need to authenticate your download. For Android users, this usually involves your Google account credentials, while iPhone and iPad users may need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter their Apple account password. This step is important to ensure that only authorized users can download apps on the device. If you complete this authentication successfully, it makes sure your account remains secure, and this is essential for protecting your personal information. Now you will need to wait for the app to download and install. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status on your screen. Depending on your internet connection, this can take a few moments. This waiting time is necessary to ensure that the app is fully downloaded and ready for use. Once the download finishes, you will receive a notification and the app will be installed on your device. After the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the NBA app. This action will take you directly into the app where all the exciting features await you. Opening the app is an important step as it allows you to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with its capabilities right away. You will see a user-friendly design that offers easy access to scores, highlights, and news. Finally, you'll need to sign in with your NBA ID or create a new account to access scores, highlights, news, and NBA League Pass features. If you don't have an NBA ID, the app will guide you through the registration process, which is straightforward. This step is crucial because it allows you to personalize your experience and access all the app's features, including the subscription-based NBA League Pass. The NBA app is free to download and provides live scores, schedules, standings, highlights, and personalized team updates. A separate NBA League Pass subscription is required to watch live and on-demand games. Now you are all set to enjoy everything the NBA app has to offer.